Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India, and today we're going to take a look at how to set up HAMRS, probably the easiest logger for portable use that you can use. It's available for pretty much any platform, so if you go to hamrs.app, as you can see, there are downloads for pretty much every cell phone, tablet, or computer platform there is. So with no further ado, let's start setting this up. So the first thing we're going to do here is enter our call sign, which I really hope you enter your own call sign. Then you have some language choices. I'm going to use English here. Then your first and last names. And if you want it to be integrated and download the information of your QSOs or the people you have QSOs with, I'd recommend you to either sync it with QRZ or some other service. I always use QRZ, so let's enter my QRZ information like this. And when you do that, it'll start looking up here to see if it's a valid password. When you get that done, press save, and that's about it. So let's do a demonstration logbook here, just so you can see how it works. So I'll do one generic one, just to show you the different fields here. And if you do a generic logbook, you got fields for just a regular QSO. So you can enter whatever you prefer here. I'm just going to demonstrate here. I'm going to enter my grid here. And let's do a couple of phony QSOs here. I'll do Shetil L before FH. You see that it looks up his information. And he's a 5'9", so that's fine. And what I didn't do here, I didn't enter a frequency, so you can edit the contact afterwards. Let's see, that's 14.300 20 meter SSB, and we're using 50 watts. And now let's enter one more. Let's enter Steve here. And same here. 50 watts, 14.300. We'll save him as well. And then we get this nice QSO map here. I'll just drop it down a little bit, where you can see your QSOs mapped out here, which is really nice if you're out doing a portable activation and you want to have some kind of visual feel of where you had your QSOs. So that's the general tab, and I'm just going to show you briefly the difference on the other logbook formats here. So we're going to change it to Parks on the Air. The only downside with the HAMRS is that you really don't have cat control for your radio. But that's not really necessary if you're doing portable operations, though. So it's not a logger for your home per se. It's more of a logger for portable use. And as you can see here, when you enter the POTA field here, there are some differences. You can enter your park here, and you got another tab down here, your POTA spots. So you can see if you are spotted and the POTA activations that are going on and are spotted at the moment. So let's exit out of this and show you one more. And that's the SOTA summits on the air. And you got field day and winter field day, and that's not relevant for me, which is not in North America. We have different kind of logins for field day, and we don't have a winter field day. So this is only for those are the three fields I use. And when you see on summits on the air, you can enter the summits, both your and the other party's summits. So that's the difference. You don't get any spots on the summits on the air, and for me that's a little bit of downer, but not enough for not using this. It's still the best portable logging alternative. So with those about 5 minutes, I hope you familiarized yourself a little bit with HAMRS and why it's such a great logger. So go out there, do some portable work, and log your contacts. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.